Queenslanders love their green spaces, but it's important we use our precious water wisely. Here are some simple tips to save water in your garden. Different plants require different amounts of water, so group plants with similar water requirements together. Only water where needed, and avoid watering when it's raining or predicted to rain. Water when the sun is low, winds are calm, and temperatures are cool. Use appropriate irrigation equipment. Look for leaks and blocked nozzles. Water slowly, for a longer time and less frequently to encourage hardier plants. And use mulch to reduce evaporation and runoff. For more tips on water-wise gardening, check out the Efficient Irrigation for Water Conservation Guidelines.